Hi friends, now we are come with the new video which is used for the Ethernet setting. If you don't know about the any setting, doing the any setting of Ethernet, just follow my step. Instead of putting the any IPs or doing the setting, if you don't know that thing, simply create the setting automatically of OIP. There is some steps for doing that. First step, we have to press the Windows key plus R. Then for the running the command prompt, and simply there put the services.msc. That is a services provided by the Windows, and simply press OK. That goes to all the services list. Then from that services list we have to select the Windows wired config set. Here is a wired config. There is a setting status was manually, so that we want to press the right click of mouse and goes to property. Instead of manual, we have to choose automatic and simply apply. And okay, here is a setup of automatic created. Just all that done with the setting. It's so simple. Thanks for watching. Bye.